Today, I'll show you how to make a super cute colorful jellyfish. The colors look bright and eye-catching. Now, take one pipe cleaner of each color, for a total of 10 pipe cleaners. Then take one more pipe cleaner. Connect two pipe cleaners together, leaving a short section like this. Next, measure from this point, a section about 5 centimeters long. Then fold it back. Fold this section toward the back. Twist it to secure. Bring it down, then fold it back at the same height. Trim off the excess pipe cleaner. Next, take the second pipe cleaner. Repeat the same steps from this point. Twist it twice. Adjust it so both sections are at the same height. Repeat with all the remaining pipe cleaners, until the whole section is filled. When finished, it should look like this. Next, take another pipe cleaner. Thread it through the center. Make sure to thread it through in the correct order, so every section is held together. Keep threading it through like this. Then pull this section tight. Keep tightening it firmly. Pull it securely like this. Then twist it twice. Trim off the excess pipe cleaner. Adjust this section. If any pieces have been pushed to one side, pull them out and adjust them. This will make the head look fuller. Just adjust everything until it looks even and balanced. Try to shape it as neatly as possible. Next, connect the two ends here. Then trim off the excess. Now, start pushing this section from the inside outward. Be careful not to poke your hand with the wire ends. Shape it into a round ball. Take your time with this step. Once you're happy with the shape, you can stop adjusting it. There may be a few loose fuzzy fibers here. Carefully singe them with a lighter. This will make it look much neater. Measure a 12 centimeters piece of pipe cleaner. Cut the measured piece, then lightly singe the end. Wrap it around about 3 times, then slide it off. Repeat the same steps with the other colors. Cut the pipe cleaners in half to make the long tentacles. Carefully singe the ends into points. Trim away some of the fuzzy fibers from these longer pieces. Leave some fibers at both ends like this. Hold this end firmly. Wrap it around about 3 times. Slide it off, then stretch it slightly. Repeat the same steps with the remaining pieces. Apply a little glue. Glue 2 pieces together first. Apply a little more glue. Attach the remaining pieces. You can choose where to place each one. Any position is fine. Apply glue and place each piece between the 2 inner strands. Leave the ends sticking out slightly. Glue the remaining pieces in the same way. Once everything is attached, a small section will stick out at the front. Fold it downward. Fold it until it lines up with the shorter strands. If any strand is a little too long, trim it slightly. Apply glue here. Then place it in the center of the jellyfish's head. Hold it in place and wait for the glue to dry. And our jellyfish is finished. I'll add a hook to turn it into a keychain. Save this video and give it a try. See you next time.